Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi ngin Wanrah amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ka State Executive Meeting jong Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress kabalalong ha kasing tho ding ka khat santarik unaitung arajar arpuar kala shimya karai banwer bat khot ya kisamla nongshong shnong jong Jingkylla Meghalaya bakin Pynïasoh yaladi bat ka Trinamool Congress khnang ban Wanrah ya ka Jingkylla Hagji kren bat gilat pathai kubor u President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress Youth Wing uba Fernandez Savio Dkhar ulayatu baga jing penrung kerteng jong parti kala sedang sya syarilom garo bat menta ka kenti ka jing penrung kerteng kan sedang no mardor harilom khasi bar rilom Jingkylla kum ka jing penkre na ka benta ka election sya ka yeng dorbar thawan jong Jingkylla ka ban salong house nam arajar arpulai.
Just now we concluded our first state executive meeting. So our main motive is for the press conference is that we are requesting all our youth, those who are like-minded, to come to the party, the Trinamool Congress. So this is a new party in Meghalaya, but it was not new in Garo Hills. It already has the base. So we request all our youth to join our party, and I would like to here we have our Vice President, MDC, and we have the General Secretary here. So this press conference is only to request thousands of youth from our state to be part of our Trinamool Youth Congress.
My name is Fernandez. I am the Vice President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Trinamool Congress. So today, like our President have addressed, we have just concluded our first ever executive meeting of the state executive. So we would like to invite the youths of the state to come join hands in bringing a change in the state. We have been mobilizing the youths in and around Garo Hills every now and then, and we've been getting a good response. So we would like to welcome the youths who have joined hands, and we would like to invite the youths of Khasi Hills and Jingkylla Hills to come join hands and bring in a change in our state. And any questions to be put forward by the press? If you're looking at the current situation, what is happening in the state, I think there's a lot of deficiency. Our youths are being deprived. So to bring about a change, I think we have to be the change ourselves first. We can see thousands of vacancies and thousands of our youths being unemployed right now. So, like I've said, I think to bring about a change, we have to be the change ourselves first. So we would like to once again invite our youths to be the change ourselves first.
This is the first state executive meeting we have taken. We have talked about the issue of corruption and all. Yes, we will be on the street. We will fight because we have seen in your coverage also that even the party within the government itself, they are blaming each other. See, there is one Facebook page which was run by, I guess, by the BJP, Meghalaya with Modi. They are questioning the corruption done by this government, and they are still in the path of the government. What is really amused with them They are the part of the government and they are questioning the government. So they have been playing to their lip service for so many years now. It has been 4.5 years. So I don't know that na khane dunga na khaunga, that campaign by our Honorable Prime Minister is just a lip service, it seems. They have seen the corruption is going rampant in Meghalaya. The construction of each and every building is in shady and shoddy manners. I don't know why they cannot send an investigation team after so many. And now today I just read in it is a partial investigation have been placed of that doom, which the doom of assembly has collapsed. So we'll take this, we'll take on the street also. When it's demand, we will give you the proper information when and where to do all the protests also in the coming days. They have blocked CBI to come. They remove from the state that CBI cannot come. So now, see, the government is not serious. They said that they want to bring, last time in 2018, they said that we will give a new Meghalaya. A new Meghalaya is not this Meghalaya what we want, okay? New Meghalaya might be, it should be a job for the youth. Less, there is a corruption, rampant corruption, I will say. See, someone is blocking those culprits. They see, regarding the doom also, somebody, he is a candidate of some party. It was officially announced. How can a sitting engineer sat in the meeting, that also in the dais of the party meeting? See, all we have seen, people have seen, but we are not talking. We request the people of the state, those who have conscience and those who are really care for the state, they should come up and question the government. Why? They said that the coal trader, the last investigation, they said that the coal is being transferred from Assam to South Garhwal. But in fact, it is not going that way. It's going from South Garhwal and West Garhwal to Assam. So I wish Prime Minister will take his, he will stand by his word that na khaunga na khane dunga. He will send, I request him to send all the investigation team to search for it, to dig the truth. We will fight because we care about the state, about the Jaipan River, about our people. If this is continued for another 5 years, I don't know where our people and our poor people and the state will be. I cannot imagine. So I ask our people, the citizens of the state, to take cognition to see and ask all those people who are in power. State executive, in every block we already have the convening team of the youth also. So from now on we will be notifying all the youths and we will create one platform that the youth, those who are like-minded, who want to fight against this corruption, against this high-level system, they should realize by now, or else we may be going back to those time where only kings they will behave like king and we are as their servant. So I don't want our youth to be the servant of anybody. They should have their own life. They cannot go high level, low level. We are living in a democratic country and we have a free choice. And we should throw out this high level system. In the fray of politics since when I have been 16 years in politics. So we are trying to target at least maximum of 1,000 youth from minimum 1,000 youth from each and every constituency. in my resignation press conference also, I said, if I want to make money, I'll be a businessman. I don't have to be in politics. But if you want to save the state, to serve the state, you have to come, because we have to follow our leaders. Our leaders, I think, they know better how to make, how to give service better to the state and to our people. We have seen that, and we have the proof. See, there is a, as I have said, I will be repeating again, that we ask all the like-minded youth, okay, who can work for the people. Less self-interest, we will be dedicated more for the state and for our people, be it in social media also or on the field also. But sadly, this government, after taking charge, they are trying to reduce the government employees. During the government of Dr. Mukul Sangma, we have been creating so many jobs. I think after creating the state, I think his government created more jobs than any government. After 1972, be it the SF-10, we have the strength of SF-10 is around 1800, but they cannot even fulfill that. Now they are trying to release all the SF-10 also to the district police. So instead of creating job, they are cutting down the job, which is very sad indeed for our youth. So I think the youth should look up. I used to say that, don't just listen. You try to find out the facts. Then after that, you can compare. They are looking up who is standing. Not only based on the party line, but who is coming up for the TMC in different constituency. See, we got a good candidate in Jowai, in Mokoyao, and we have our leaders here. Bachas and Bajos, they are the sensible leaders, which the youth are looking up. They have that strong determination to work for the state, for the betterment of the state. I think soon we will create a hive in Khasi Hills also. TMC is from Bengal. Yes, I agree. It started from West Bengal. It's a party from West Bengal. Then what about Congress? The former party where I have been, it was formed in Mumbai and led by W.C. Banerjee, the first president, who was a Bengali too. These are petty politics by those who are, because they have seen that this is the force to reckon. TMC is the force to reckon now in Meghalaya. Because all of them are in government. Be it, they said that we are opposing our own government. It looks amused, I used to say. The people in the government oppose the government. See, myself belonging from the Christian community, and with respect to all the faith in Meghalaya, see, our first Bible was written, the handwriting was written in Bengali notion. Sawi saaru kimyo sakabalai rumyo wan phai biang sakajuro imat kimsyo jelas ngolera te kidon katukane kiban layut ra atumkari media report kumboki on te ya kita ngimla ban lada kita kilidar kims kem jumot ngimdon kamre ngimdon kam tani kilidar kiban yoi but kaya state jungi kalamat hakini ki sausnem but balai ki kwa manager sno kita ki parti ki badan ke sarkar manta imai kala bandai nak menta jo ki shimat namara kapa ngidon opposition dengi ni persya mantapap ki kwa baniasno dengan labno te namar kata ngangong gumne ba ngidon kam ya ki leader ki bane gumon Omnya kiba nang neshatai kin the ngala de ba kadeka double engine sarkar mo double engine sarkar Henry kimla tangban penkiu tulok ne kabai siu yakin hingkai jongi la mentala sausnam siten ladangi padin sakipor bamswa khamtam hakapor balong chief minister Dr. Mukul Sangma mo kai announcement jokin hingkai haki prasnam bau long chief minister laisin ula penkiu ya ki tulok lane ya kata jingsiu ya kinohika SSL ula hausnam arja kadri ula ne khatnia ladang ampakla ula ai ke area hadu menta kidang yo tangga first quarter Dr. Mukul ula le bha ya kinohika lada kinohika kisuntu namar kat ba kidawa ni persyang lese ngimla ban ai kat ka ba kikwa Henry na kandri hajar la kan kiu shak kandai hajar na kandai hajar shaka aku araja